Hey guys, we're back with another vicrez PPF installation. You can see right here what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and do the Tesla Model Y rear quarter panel, which is this part that's right here. Oh, this plugging piece right here. We're gonna go ahead and do the installation. I'm gonna show you guys like what we use. So you are gonna use alcohol, water, and baby soap. The alcohol and water mixture you will use will be used for your tack solution, which will help your PPF to stick. The soap, John's like baby soap is more recommended. And then the water is gonna help your slip solution. So when you spray that on your PPF, it's gonna help you move it around and just like get it. And then also, as you can see here, basically what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a squeegee. Anytime as you guys, right here, we're gonna use our orange one. This is the one I use a lot. See right here, I already have it pre-cut out. It's kind of hard to see, but we're gonna go ahead and get our slip solution. And so what I'm gonna do is on the pre-cut, I'm gonna go ahead and pull down the top section a bit. Again, you might need two hands for this, or if you can do it yourself, one-handed. Right now I'm doing it one-handed. So I'm gonna pull it down a bit, and I'm gonna squirt a little bit of the slip solution. Get it right in there. And you wanna be generous with the slip solution, because it'll help you move around, just like that. Thankfully, if the slip solution doesn't help, it kind of helps for the PPF not to stick onto each other. I'm gonna spray the area with slip solution. Then I'm gonna go ahead and place it. I'm gonna pull it down. I'm gonna pull it down slowly, little by little, and while I do that, I'm gonna squirt it with slip solution. Last part, I'm gonna squirt a little bit more. Go ahead and start lining it up into the areas that we need it to be. Let your hand kind of spread out all the slip solution everywhere. Because now we know where we're gonna have it at. We got a little X-Acto knife, and right here at the little curve, I'm gonna cut a slit. Okay. Alright then guys, so we're finished with the rear quarter panel installation for the PPF on the Tesla Model Y. So thank you guys for stopping by on this video. Stay tuned for more PPF installations. We appreciate everything you guys doing for us and that we do for you guys. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next one. Laters.